GM 88.3, that is 311. Beautiful Disaster Morse, that is coming up next. Well, I've got Mark Anthony Galang who says for him, his bucket list is to go to all the remote beaches together with his family. And I guess for me, it would have to be, I would love to be able to go to Europe. Like, I've never been to Europe, although I actually speak a little bit of German, a little bit of Italian, a little bit of French, a little bit of Russian. I have never been. So hopefully I do get to go. I mean, I am wearing a SiGMA t-shirt right about now, the SiGMA World Tour t-shirt. So hopefully my visa gets approved for Malta for next month. And just a quick shout out to my bosses, Leah Hogg, Shirley Pulis Shershen, or also to Loran Urban and Liam Bonello, who are all in Malta right about now. So shout out to you guys. And I'm so excited. Hopefully I get to go to Malta and meet everybody, the rest of the team over there. So with that in mind, here is for my bosses and also for the whole team in Malta for SiGMA. And it's The Cure's Friday I'm in Love. You're on Jam 88.3, where everything rocks.